The following is an independence message by Prime Minister Dr. The Right Honourable Keith Mitchell.
Fellow Grenadians, as we celebrate the 46th anniversary of our country's independence, let us take a moment to acknowledge the many achievements that color the landscape of our past. As we pause and reflect with gratitude, let us also acknowledge that the growth and development of our nation remains a work in progress. Therefore, as we look to the future with hope and optimism, let us remember the many colors that will paint the canvas of our future depend largely on us embracing the opportunity to contribute to the ongoing process of nation building. The year 2020 represents a defining moment in our country's history. This critical juncture heralds the introduction of a non-partisan approach to development. The creation and implementation of this blueprint for Grenada's sustainable development is deeply reflective of the hopes, dreams, and aspirations of all our people. And the strategic objectives outlined therein will guide the development of our nation over the next 15 years. My friends, brothers and sisters all, we have made enormous strides as an independent nation, but there remain several core issues which we must address as we progress. Healthcare and education in particular are critical pillars of nation building that require a collective approach. It is highly commendable that traditionally Grenadians living abroad have been crucial partners in both sectors. Let us use the occasion of our 46th anniversary of independence to recommit ourselves to the collective actions for the betterment of our beloved country. Sisters and brothers all, let us continue to walk in unity as we shape the future of this nation and safeguard the legacy that will be passed to future generations. Transforming the lives of our children and grandchildren begins now. Let us collectively embrace the responsibility so that 46 years from now, when they reflect on our actions, our solidarity and patriotism will be clearly visible as beacons to be emulated. In the words of John Dickinson, and I quote, "United we stand and divided we fall," unquote. Therefore, let us unite for the common good of the further growth and development of Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique. May God bless our beautiful country of Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique.
The preceding was an independence message by Prime Minister Dr. The Right Honourable Keith Mitchell.